Konnichiwa. Hola. Hi. I'm your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
I have a presentation on smart tourism. I want to learn more about this topic, its development, and how new technologies are shaping this industry.
Great choice! Tourism isn't just about traveling now. It's a global industry where language and digital technologies play a crucial role. Let me show you how. Ancient people traveled for trade and exploration. Word tourism introduced by this man. His name is Henry Stendhal.
Planning a trip in ancient time, you'd to reply a hand-drawn map, face danger, travel on foot for weeks, even risk getting lost. But in today's world, all of that has changed. You no longer have to search for information manually. Website, apps, and artificial intelligence do it for you.
And to learn more about these innovations, we have invited an expert.
Hi. My name is Birzat and I'm an IT instructor at the College of Tourism and Hospitality Industry, and also I'm a graduate student in computer science at Aba University.
As a technology expert, can you recommend some useful websites for travelers?
Sure, here's some essential platforms. If you want to book flights or tickets, there are some platforms as Aviasales, Google Flights and Omio. In these platforms you can find cheap flights, tickets or hotel.
What about AI travel platforms?
Actually, AI is transforming our tourism by analyzing the customer preferences and also offering them more personalized plans. So these tools actually revolutionizing our traveling and also tourism. And for example, TripIT will help you automatically plan your trip, and also there is a platform as Hopper which would find you the best flights and tickets and so on.
What if I don't know languages?
Of course, language is a major part on traveling, but nowadays you don't even need to know the foreign language, because nowadays AI translators can handle it for you.
Can you recommend some top AI translation tools?
Yes, of course. The first platform I would recommend is DeepL. DeepL will offer you a highly accurate translation, and also there is a platform iTranslate which supports the voice translation and also offline mode, what is convenient during the trip.
Thank you for your consultation.
You're welcome.
Want to be part of the future? Learn English, explore new technologies and create the travel experiences of tomorrow.